Rising job losses in Louisiana. What you need to know. In a troubling turn of events, Louisiana is grappling with an uptick in job losses, signaling potential challenges for its workforce and economy. This development raises concerns about what it could mean for families, businesses, and the state's overall recovery efforts. But here's where it gets concerning. Recent data from the Louisiana Workforce Commission reveals that initial unemployment insurance claims have edged upward for the week ending July 26th. According to official reports, there were 1,914 new claims filed during that period, a number that might seem small on the surface, but carries significant weight when you consider the ripple effects on households and local economies. For those unfamiliar with how unemployment claims work, these figures essentially represent individuals who have recently lost their jobs and are seeking financial assistance while they search for new opportunities. It's not just about numbers on a page. Each claim reflects someone facing uncertainty, whether it's a parent trying to cover their child's school expenses or a young professional navigating the daunting task of finding work in a competitive market. And this is the part most people miss. Even slight increases in unemployment claims can signal larger systemic issues, such as shifts in key industries or broader economic instability. Louisiana has long been shaped by industries like oil and gas, manufacturing, and tourism, all sectors that can be highly sensitive to both domestic and global economic trends. When these sectors experience slowdowns, the impact isn't felt solely by workers directly employed within them. It trickles down to related fields, such as transportation, retail, and hospitality. Picture a restaurant owner near an industrial hub suddenly seeing fewer customers because plant layoffs have reduced foot traffic. These interconnected dynamics make rising unemployment claims particularly worrisome. But let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What does this trend suggest for Louisiana's future? Are we witnessing a temporary blip caused by seasonal factors? Or could it point to deeper structural weaknesses in the labor market? Some experts argue that short-term fluctuations aren't necessarily cause for alarm. After all, economies naturally ebb and flow over time. Others, however, warn that ignoring warning signs now could lead to more severe consequences later. This divergence in perspectives sparks debate. Should policymakers focus on immediate relief measures? Or should they prioritize long-term strategies aimed at diversifying the state's economy? And here's where things get controversial. While some may view rising unemployment claims as an unavoidable phase of economic cycles, others see it as evidence of insufficient support for displaced workers. Shouldn't there be more robust safety nets in place to help residents weather these storms? Or do critics have a valid argument when they say too much reliance on government aid stifles innovation and self-reliance? These questions don't have easy answers, but they're critical to shaping the path forward. So what do you think? Does this rise in job losses reflect a fleeting challenge? Or does it highlight underlying vulnerabilities that need urgent attention? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinion in the comments below. Whether you agree or disagree, your voice matters in this ongoing conversation about Louisiana's economic resilience.